We're still planning to release models this year. As with all launches, we're working through like the last minute issues that pop up, but there's nothing that's blocking us from starting production within the next within the timeline we laid out in the opening remarks. And I will say it's important to emphasize that, as we've said all along, the full utilization of our factories is the primary goal for these new products.
It's official. Elon Musk just confirmed during Tesla's Q1 2025 earnings call that new Tesla models are on track for release this year. But with lingering last-minute adjustments still in play, how is Tesla pushing so close to global scale production and delivery? Yes, there are still tweaks underway, but none of them are holding back production. The bigger mission: getting Tesla's factories running at full capacity. So let's dive into Tesla's massive rollout plan from North America to Asia. But before we go city by city and break this down in detail, hit subscribe and make sure you ring the bell to stay ahead of every update in the Model 2 movement. 1. How bold is Tesla going with Model 2 production in 2025? We've seen the rumors swirling. Now it's real. Tesla's plan to reshape the way EVs are made isn't starting overseas. It's launching right in the heart of Texas. The Austin-based Gigafactory Texas is about to become ground zero for Tesla's next big move. Production of the low-cost, high-impact Model 2 is set to kick off by June 2025, and the numbers are staggering. 10,000 vehicles per week right out of the gate. This isn't just another production line, it's a massive leap forward. Tesla is targeting 500,000 units in 2025 and scaling all the way to 1 million annually by 2027. And how's this possible? Automation. Tesla's aiming to have 80% of the Model 2 assembly handled by robotics, slashing labor costs by around 30% when compared to Model 3 and Model Y production. But why go all in on Texas? Because the scale and operational efficiency of Gigafactory Texas are unlike anything we've seen before. With over 12 million square feet of space, a 15,000-strong workforce, and more than $10 billion in investment since 2020, Tesla has laid the foundation for an EV revolution. Even better, the factory is 100% powered by renewable energy, a combination of solar and wind. This move alone cuts down Tesla's operational energy costs by 15%, savings that will directly reduce the cost of each vehicle. And Austin's central U.S. location makes logistics smarter. Shipping from Texas to both the East and West Coasts is around 20% more cost-effective than from California. That translates to faster deliveries and better pricing in places like New York, Chicago, and Las Vegas. But that's just phase one. Tesla already has a second Texas Gigafactory in the works, with production targets pushing towards 2 million Model 2 units per year by 2028. What does that mean for everyday drivers? It means Tesla is finally about to offer a truly low-maintenance, high-efficiency, budget-conscious EV that could end up costing less than your annual gas bill. And for veterans, retirees, working parents, this might be the EV that finally fits your real-world budget. If you've been on the fence about going electric, this could be your sign. If you want the Model 2 delivered to your doorstep, drop your city in the comments and write, "I want the Model 2 here." 2. Why Tesla is shifting to a regional manufacturing model. Picture this. You order your new Model 2, and instead of waiting months, it arrives within a few days. Not only faster, but cheaper. That's the power behind Tesla's new regional production strategy. In the past, Tesla customers sometimes waited 12 to 16 weeks, with some even longer. But by late 2026, Tesla is aiming to cut that down to as little as 2 to 3 weeks, depending on location. If you're in New York, your delivery could arrive in just 5 to 7 days. Los Angeles, even faster at 2 to 3 days. London, built in Berlin, skipping those overseas delays with a delivery window of under a week. Sydney, now routed via Singapore, delivery time cut in half from 60 days to just 25. And this isn't just about timing. Regional production slashes per vehicle costs. Around $1,800 saved by avoiding international shipping. Roughly $2,200 in tariffs sidestepped with smarter factory placement. Up to $1,000 more saved by streamlining factory operations. That's $3,200 in savings per vehicle, most of which goes right back to customers. That's how Tesla is hitting that magical $25,000 base price. Then add in regionalized financial incentives, with U.S. buyers seeing interest rates as low as 0.9% and Europeans at 1.2%. Localized insurance offerings are also rolling out, with premiums 15 to 25% lower thanks to quicker repairs and better access to parts. It's not just cost savings. These regional factories are creating Tesla ecosystems, monthly events for owners, guided factory tours, and thousands of local jobs. Supplier networks grow nearby, meaning parts are readily available. And supercharger density in these areas increases by 40%, while installation costs drop. Even local tax revenue from these plants funds infrastructure improvements, like roads and public charging stations, directly benefiting Tesla drivers. What's really impressive? Each regional Tesla team is also customizing Model 2 features based on local climate and traffic conditions. Whether it's cold weather tuning for Chicago or desert cooling systems for Las Vegas, your car will feel tailor-made. If this sounds like a game changer, type game changing in the comments. 3. Model 2's global delivery plan, when and where. The global Model 2 launch is shaping up to be Tesla's most ambitious rollout ever. As Elon Musk emphasized, this isn't just about electric cars, it's about scaling clean transportation faster than any company has done before. Here's the delivery timeline. January 2026. Los Angeles gets first Model 2 deliveries, 35,000 units in Q1, supported by a brand new Burbank mega delivery hub. February 2026, New York follows with 25,000 deliveries, backed by a high-capacity Brooklyn center. Each city's delivery is being customized. Vegas buyers get desert-grade cooling systems by June 2026. Chicago orders start in May 2026, shipping with standard winter-ready packages. But this isn't just a U.S. affair. Globally, London leads the UK wave, starting July 2026 with 15,000 units in Q1. Gigafactory Berlin ramps up right-hand drive output in advance. Manchester comes online by October 2026 with exclusive UK financing deals. Sydney starts November 2026, with Melbourne following in early 2027. Tesla's Port Botany hub will handle 300 cars a day, and 25 new supercharger locations are being installed across Victoria. Tesla is using a 5-phase launch strategy. 1. June 2026, major U.S. cities. 2. July 2026, secondary U.S. markets plus UK/EU. 3. June 2027, Australia, Canada, rest of EU. 4. July 2027, Asia, including China, India, Japan, Thailand, Singapore. 5. 2028, full global scale-up, including South America. Reservations. They open very soon. September 2025, configurator goes live. October 2025, $250 refundable pre-orders start. November 2025, Tesla owners get early access. January 2026, fleet reservations open. April 2026, general public can order. Plus, Tesla's new AI-driven delivery estimator will offer 90% accuracy, so no more mystery around when your car arrives. While legacy automakers struggle to release affordable EVs in low volume, Tesla is prepping to flood global markets with regionally optimized Model 2s, delivered faster than anyone expected. From New York to Sydney, this isn't just a future for a few, it's one for everyone. Which region are you in, and are you ready for the Model 2? Tell us in the comments. And if you've made it this far, you clearly care about Tesla's future as much as we do. Tap subscribe, smash that bell, and stay plugged into everything happening in Tesla's biggest year yet.